Another day, another story. DNS, or Domain Name System, is a crucial system that translates domain names into IP addresses and helps route internet traffic. It's often overlooked, but DNS plays a vital role in the functioning of the internet. In this blog post, we'll cover the top 10 questions and answers about DNS, to help you understand this critical system. 1. What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System, which is a decentralized system that converts domain names into IP addresses to help route internet traffic. 2. How does DNS work? DNS works by translating domain names into IP addresses, which are used to identify computers on the internet. It involves a complex chain of servers and caching systems that work together to ensure that each request is resolved accurately and quickly. 3. What is an IP address? An IP, Internet Protocol, address is a unique numerical identifier assigned to every device connected to the Internet. It is used to identify and communicate with devices on the Internet. 4. What is a domain name? A domain name is a human-readable name used to identify resources on the Internet, such as websites, email servers, and other online services. 5. What is a DNS server? A DNS server is a computer server that hosts the DNS database and responds to queries from other DNS servers or DNS clients. 6. What are DNS records? DNS records are pieces of information about a domain that are stored in a DNS server's database. They include information such as the domain name, IP address, and other resource records. 7. What is DNS caching? DNS caching is the process of temporarily storing DNS information in a DNS server's memory to reduce the time it takes to resolve future requests. 8. What is a DNS resolver? A DNS resolver is a computer program that queries a DNS server to resolve domain names to IP addresses. 9. What is DNSSEC? DNSSEC stands for Domain Name System Security Extensions, which is a set of protocols designed to add security to the DNS system. 10. How can I troubleshoot DNS issues? To troubleshoot DNS issues, you can try flushing your DNS cache, checking your DNS servers, and running diagnostic tools such as NSLookup or DIG. In conclusion, DNS is a crucial system that translates domain names into IP addresses and plays a vital role in the functioning of the Internet. By understanding how it works and how to troubleshoot issues, you can ensure that your online activity is smooth and secure. Thanks for watching.